Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Young scholars, as we know that there are three genres of literature, and out of these three we have been talking about the first one. What's the name of that? Poetry. No. What is poetry? I'm sure you know that. And how many elements of the poetry are there? Four. And out of these four, the first one we have discussed in detail. What's that? Rhythm. No. And we have started now the second one, that is sound. I'm sure you're well familiar with the concept of sound, and you also know that there are four sound devices. And we have been talking about the first sound device, which is rhyme. What is rhyme? Amina beta, please. Excellent beta. She told us that rhyme means the sameness of the ending sound of different words. Sounds clear? So when the poet wants to create sound in his poetry, so the first device which he uses for that is rhyme. Sounds clear? Any question? Pattern. As our lesson has some pattern now, our class has some pattern now. That our class begins with awwaz, then tasmiya, then there is how are you, dearest young scholars, etc. Pattern is there, which we follow now. There are four rhyming patterns now. We shall try to understand this pattern now, keeping a stanza of 4 lines in view. I'm sure you know what stanza. Yes. Stanza, group of lines, is called stanza. How simple that is. As group of sentences is called a paragraph. It is there in prose, drama, etc. But in poetry, a group of lines is called stanza. We shall discuss this stanza in detail, keep in mind. We shall try to understand what the concept of this rhyming pattern, keeping a stanza of 4 lines in our mind. Have a look at it. The first rhyming pattern is A baby. What does it mean?
First and second line.
Excellent. That there are 4 lines, line number 1 and 2, they end with the same sound. Excellent. Line number 3 and 4. So first rhyming pattern is A baby. Yeah. Line number 1 and 2, they have the same sound. Line number 3 and 4, they have the same sound. So there are 2 sounds, in a 4-line stanza. This is first rhyming pattern. A stanza of 4 lines. Name of the poem is First Snow. Snow makes whiteness where it falls. The bushes look like popcorn balls. Clear? Falls, balls. Line number 2 and line number 1. Line number 1 or line number 2, they have the same ending sound. No? Points clear? Yeah. So they are rhymed. First 2 lines are rhymed. Now line number 3, and places where I always play look like somewhere else today. What? Play and today. What's that? They have the same sound. Clear? So A B. This is the first rhyming pattern now. The second is now A B. What does it mean?
First line and third line, they have same sound.
Excellent.
Second line and fourth line, they have same sound.
Excellent. See, first and third, they are rhymed. Second and fourth are rhymed. A B. Let's have a look at its example now. What's that now? I love noodles, give me oodles. Make a mound up to the sun. Noodles are my favorite foodles. I eat noodles by the ton. Now line number 1 and line number 3. What are those? Oodles, foodles. Line number 2 and 4, sun and ton. This is the second rhyming pattern now. The third one is A, B, B, A. Means, Amina,
Line number 1 and line number 4 end with the same sound, and line number 2 and line number 3 end with the same.
excellent. So first and fourth lines are rhymed. Line number 2 and 3 are rhymed. So there are 2 rhymes. Clear? Rhyme mean now the same.
Ending sound.
Clear? So let's have a look at its example. Bliss. What? Bliss. Let me fetch sticks. Let me fetch stones. Throw me your bones. Teach me your tricks. What's that? Sticks, tricks. Then there is stones, bones. The fourth pattern is A, B, C, B. In this pattern, how many rhymes are there?
3 rhymes are
Mhm.
How many rhymes are there?
One rhyme.
1 rhyme.
One line.
Previously, there were 2 rhymes.
Yes,
Clear? Rhymes mean sameness of the sound found now in different lines.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
yes,
So there was AA, this is one rhyme. BB, this is second rhyme. Clear?
Yes, sir.
AB, AB. Clear? A, B. Again, two rhymes were there. Then there was A, BB, A. A and A, rhyme number 1. BB, rhyme number 2. Sir, points clear?
Yes, sir.
Over here,
A,
A, B, C, B. How many rhymes?
there are 1 rhyme.
What's that? BB. There's no AA, there's no CC. There's only BB. Only one rhyming line, one rhyme is there. No? Let's have a look at its example. Name of the poem is The Alligator. No? The alligator chased his tail, which hit him in the snout. He nibbled, gobbled, swallowed it, and turned right inside out. Rhymes. What are the rhymes?
Line number 2 and line number 4. That's
Excellent. How simple that is. No, that is no snout and excellent. That is no snout inside out. A is different.
and C.
C is different. No, B and D, they are the same. No, mean I line number 2 and line number 4 are the same. Rhyming pattern is clear?
Yes, sir.
Rhyme mean sameness of the ending sound. Rhyme, clear, we see that different lines are there which end with the same sound. This is called rhyme. When we say one rhyme, I mean to say that one sameness is there.
Yes.
When I say 2 rhymes, means 2 samenesses are there. Clear?
Yes.
Any question?
No.
This was the first sound device. The first sound device is rhyme. That is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
The second sound device is repetition. What's that? Tomorrow, inshallah, Aziz.